Now, now start revision from you only. Shivani, you can tell me the doubt, first doubt. Is there any, you have any doubt in question chapter number 14, 15 and 16? Chapter number 14, 15 and 16, you have any doubt? No doubts? Okay. Collinear points. ठीक है. After your doubt is finished, you can tell me the next name. Then he or she will ask doubt. Okay, your doubt is the collinear point. Collinear points. So, chalo. ठीक है, it's okay, no problem. See, first you tell me what is point. Point is represented by dot. See, one. Okay, this is a point. Suppose this is a point A. And what is this? What is this? Line segment. Line segment. Yes, it is a line because this is not an end point. This is a point here only. This is not a end point. I don't मतलब ये मैंने तुम्हें बताया नहीं कि this is the end point नहीं है. This is the point lies on a line. See here. A is a point here, and this line continues till here. Suppose the last point suppose is Z. Okay. Now B is here, C is here, D is here, E is here, F is here. So these these all points lie in a straight line or not? Then they are collinear. Then they are collinear. If a point, if a point lies in a same straight line, if a point if points lies in a same straight line, then these points are collinear points. Collinear points. शिवानी, अभी कुछ समझ आया? हाँ, देखो पॉइंट्स जब एक स्ट्रेट लाइन में होंगे तो हम उसे कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स कहते हैं. इफ इन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन, इफ अ पॉइंट, कितने भी पॉइंट्स हो सकते हैं. यहाँ पर तुम्हारा मन करता है तो तुम एक कोई पॉइंट बना दो एक्स, यहाँ कोई मन करता है तो वाई बना दो. बट दीज ऑल पॉइंट्स आर कोलिनियर. कोलिनियर का मतलब सिर्फ कोलिनियर होता है, मतलब लाई इन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. इट डजंट मीन दैट कि बी एक्स इज इक्वल टू डीई या सी डी इज इक्वल टू डीई. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. This is not true for the true for this situation, because if it is given that there is a line A and B and C is a point. C is a point. Uh, C is a point at the middle of AB. Then we say that AC is equal to BC. But these all three points are again collinear. A, C, B are the collinear points because they lie in a straight line. कोलिनियर का मतलब सिर्फ एक लाइन के अंदर पॉइंट के एग्जिस्टेंस का है. क्लियर? Okay. Now the next name. किसी जो भी तुम्हारे वहां पर देखो उसको और खोल के मुझे बताओ कि नेक्स्ट, टेल मी द नेक्स्ट नेम प्लीज. Okay, Ria, Ria, ask your doubt please from the chapter number 13, 40, sorry, 14, 15 and 16. 14b, 14b, 8, 9 and 10. 8. Okay, 8. Each, sorry, each interior angle of a polygon. Interior angle is equal to 108 and how many side? Okay. So, can you tell me the exterior angle क्या होता है? है? हाँ तो पहले तो उसका डिफरेंस तो निकालो. ये तो हमें पता होना चाहिए ना. इंटीरियर एंगल प्लस एक्सटीरियर एंगल इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री होता है. सो एक्सटीरियर एंगल इज इक्वल टू क्या हो गया? 180 माइनस 108 विच इज इक्वल टू 72 डिग्री. ओके, ठीक है. नाउ द नंबर ऑफ साइड इज इक्वल टू 360 डिवाइड बाय 72. अब इसको कैंसिल करके बताओ कितना होगा. ये 5 हो गया आंसर. नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. रीड द क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 भैया. तो अभी तो क्लियर है ना ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. एंड नाउ द रीड द क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. x plus 3x is equal to 180 degree. 4x is equal to 180 degree. x is equal to 180 divided by 4. आंसर बोलो कितना होता है? Then exterior angle is equal to 45 degree and interior angle is equal to 135. Clear here? Any more doubt? कल भी है हमारे पास. You can collect more doubt, as much doubt, जितना भी doubt है सब निकालो. And you can ask me tomorrow also. Now I will give another student to ask, chance to the another student to give ask answer. Okay, I'll ask question. Next नाम बोलो कोई भी जल्दी से. शिवानी please, don't delay. Shraddha, now tell me your question please next. Okay, chapter 15, question number 9. Okay, question number 15 9. ये तो मैंने पहले बता दिया है वैसे. It's okay, no problem. You can see. This is the figure here. And this is 60 degree. This is 100 degree. And there is a bisector. P, A, B. The bisector means this is X and this is X. This is Y and this is Y. Is that clear? A, B, C, D. In ABCD, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. Now 2x plus 2y, okay, here 2x, so 2x, here 2y plus 100 plus 60, which is equal to 360 degree. So now 2x plus 2 is common here, 2x plus y, you can see the solution clearly, which is equal to 360 minus 160, which is equal to 200. So x plus y is equal to 200 upon 2, which is equal to 100. Clear? Now in triangle PAC, angle P plus angle A plus angle C is equal, PAB is equal to 180 degree. Angle P plus, now the angle A, you can see, we can talk about this triangle. So angle A is X and angle B is Y only, and X plus Y is equal to what? 100. So 100 is equal to 180 degree. So angle P is equal to 180 degree minus 100, which is equal to 80 degree. Clear or not? Shraddha? Okay. Now any more doubt? Now any more doubt? Chapter number 14. Yes. Question. Tell me the question number. Question number 13. 14B, question number 13. Just a moment. Just a moment. Exercise 14B, question number 13. Now read the question, please. ठीक है, क्या लिखा है? Sum of all interior angle of a polygon is itna. What is the measure of each interior angle? Okay. Sum is given here. So sum is equal to, formula bolo. Yes, good. So the sum is 1080 is equal to n minus 2. 180 को ट्रांसफर करते हैं यहाँ पर, सॉरी 180 को ट्रांसफर, 18 के टेबल में 108 आता है क्या? 80, 18 6 I think. Yes. So n minus 2 is equal to 6. N is equal to 6 plus 2, which is equal to 8. So interior angle is equal to 1080 upon 8. Cancel it fast, Radha. 135 डिग्री, यही निकालना था क्या हमारे को? There is so many way because it is a calculation in the MCQ question. So you can do, because यहाँ पर कोई fixed process नहीं है, यहाँ पर और भी तरीका है निकालने का. If you have a number, then you can use the formula, or you can directly do it by dividing the sum, because we know that this is a regular shapes. So all the angles are equal. So just we divide with the number of sides, then we get a measure of angles. Clear, Shraddha? Now any more doubt? Okay, now I will give chance to, wait now. I will give chance to, next is, Sambhav, no. Who is, Shivani? Saksham, yes Saksham. Tell me the doubt. Exercise 16B, question number 10. Okay, now you start reading the question number 10. Parallelogram. 16B, wait. 16B, 16B, question number 10. 10. Oh yeah, it's very simple. X plus 24 is equal to 180 degree. By, we know that because in parallelogram opposite angles are equal. तो कभी भी होगा तो this is the sum of the adjacent two. So now you see 22x is equal to 180 minus 24, which is equal to how much the difference? Tell me fast. X is equal to 56. 156 upon 2. 78. 78 is the smaller. This is the smaller. And what is the difference? The larger is just 24 more than. So 78 plus 24 is what? Achar Barak. 102. 102, not 12. Wait, I check. Ah, yes. 1012 नहीं है, 102 है. Now Sambhav, clear? Clear? कोई डाउट तो नहीं है इसमें? इट्स वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन, इट्स ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. डाउट जो भी है, इसमें ऐसा क्वेश्चन जरूर हो सकता है, वहां पर टेस्ट में ऐसा क्वेश्चन हो सकता है कि वहां पर स्मॉलर या लार्जर एंगल निकालने के लिए हो. आई डोंट रिमेम्बर बिकॉज कब दिया मैंने टेस्ट, काफी दिन हो गया, 4-5 दिन, तो मैं भूल गया. मे बी देर इज अ क्वेश्चन लाइक दिस. So you all will take care about this question. Now, any more doubts? सार्थ क्या नाम होता है, भूल जाता हूँ मैं. Any more doubt? हाँ, Saksham. No doubt. Very good. Now the next, Shivani, tell me the next name, please. Manjeet. Manjeet, please ask the doubt. Exercise 14B, question number 5. Okay, no problem. Just a moment. Exercise 14B, question number 5. Okay. A diagonal has a polygon has 27 diagonal. How many sides does it have? Good. इसका फॉर्मूला क्या होता है डायगोनल का? Very good. सबको याद है भाई. Now the number of diagonal is what? 27. 27 is the number of diagonal, and n bracket n minus 3 upon 2. So 27 twos are. हाँ, क्या बोला? सेवनटीन के टेबल A54 का फैक्टर करते हैं. ओके, जस्ट सी. वेट. 2 2 is 4, 7, 27, 3, 9, 3, 3, 3, 1. So 9, 9, 6, 9 into 6. Okay. 9 square minus 9n minus plus 6n minus 54 is equal to 0. And then n minus 9 plus 6, and this is 9 minus n minus this, n plus 6 and n plus 9. The answer will be 9 because this is n plus 6 is equal to 0. So n is equal to minus 6 and n minus 9 is equal to 0. So n is equal to 9. So the answer is 9 because number of side is not possible in negative. Visible? Visible with everyone? Very good question. But I solved. See, but I solved with a factorization method. Manjeet, is it clear? So, uh, is it be clear or not? Because we already read about factorization, so we can solve it by factorization. Just put the value, और यहाँ पर equation बन गया, and now we can middle term split the equation. Everyone clear? Shraddha clear? Manjeet, Saksham, शिवानी, सबको ये क्वेश्चन समझ में आया? किया है ये क्वेश्चन पहले? Now I want to ask with Saksham, is there any other method you know? कोई दूसरा मेथड जानते हो इसके लिए? No? Okay. Now this method is clear to all? Good. Now Manjeet, anyone, any more doubt? Just one doubt. और वो भी ऐसा फैक्टराइजेशन. ओके. कोई बचा? युवा. आज द डाउट यार, मैं भूल जाता हूँ, मुझे नाम याद. हाँ. Exercise 16B, question number 9. Exercise, wait, yeah, just a moment. 16B, question number 9. Oh. Question number 9 from the exercise 16B. Yes, read the question please. I want you can solve it all. We know that all sides are equal. So, can you please? X is equal to 8. Clear? Yuva? More doubt? No. Now, और एक कोई और बचा है क्लास में? शिवानी प्लीज चेक. Any? Who? Who? Rishabh, ask the question please. 16A, question number 11 and 12. Okay. 16A, question number 11 and 12. Okay. Wait. 16A. Question number 11 and 12. Okay. Read the question, please. CAD. This one. In triangle ADC, as we know that all sides are equal, so AD is equal to DC. So this is X and this is X. Mhm. So CAD, wait, C, अच्छा X मान लिया, ठीक है, and this is 90 degrees given here. So now you can see 90 degree plus X is equal to 180 degree. 2x is equal to 180 degree minus 90. X is equal to 90 upon 2, which is equal to 45 degree. So angle CAD is equal to 45 degree. Clear or not? We know that AD is equal to CD, this. So angle DAC for this यहाँ से आएगा angle DAC is equal to angle DCA. Angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Yes? Clear? Now read the question number 12. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay. Yes, it's easy. No problem, it's a doubt. I know some question are easy for you, some are difficult. It's not depend upon the criteria. Yes. Question number 12. Rectangle, we know that rectangle, suppose length and this is breadth. So suppose this is 5x and 4x. Let the length and breadth be 5x and 4x and the perimeter is 90. Perimeter is 90. So it's 2 bracket. Everyone know that the perimeter of rectangle is 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Yes. So I just put the value here. Now it's 9x is equal to 90 upon 2, which is equal to 45. And now x is equal to 45 upon 9. It will be 5. So 5x is equal to what? 5x is equal to 25 and 4x is equal to 20. Put the unit here also, centimeter. Clear? कौन था किसका डाउट था ऋषभ? क्लियर? कलेक्ट मोर डाउट और भी डाउट क्रिएट करो क्योंकि बिकॉज आई वांट क्लियर विथ ऑल डाउट्स. सो कल भी हमारा रिवीजन सेशन ये होगा. टाइम इज लेफ्ट नाउ. श्रद्धा, हाउ मच टाइम इज लेफ्ट? Oh, 6 minutes. Okay. So you have no doubt, Shraddha? Very good. Now, anyone, this is for all that is available in the online class. किसी के पास भी कोई डाउट अभी बचा हुआ है आज के लिए तो प्लीज आस्क. हाँ, इट्स ओके. ओके, बोलो रिया. Exercise 16A, question number 6. Okay, read the question, Riya, please. Read the question number 7, please. See, here is a parallelogram and the perimeter is equal to 140. Okay, and let the longer side be x plus 10, and suppose this is x. So you all know that the perimeter is the length of the four edges. Okay, so we can use the same formula as the rectangle, or you can just do with 2 bracket x plus 10 is equal to 140. So 2x plus 10 is equal to 140 upon 2, which is equal to 70. Now we can subtract it once. 70 minus 10 upon 2, which is equal to 30. So it means that the longer side is, yes, 40 centimeters. Clear? Any more doubt, Ria? Okay, now no problem. Tomorrow will be again a revision class, so you can collect more doubts. Sambhav, I think, sorry, Saksham, you are asking anything. Saksham, कुछ पूछ रहे थे तुम? कौन पूछ रहा था? I think someone asking. Now all doubts are clear with everyone, or have anyone left with anyone? No problem. Tomorrow will again a revision class. You can collect more and more doubts. I want ki you can do. You can collect doubts. Then see if there is 8 student and everyone asks 1, 2, 3 questions. Then the doubt will be 24, 25 questions. So it will be good for you all. So